believe it.
Believe it, baby. It talks.
Am I dreaming?
No, and you ain't in Kansas neither.
Something is very wrong here.
Relax, enjoy the dark. Do me a favor, will you, sweetheart?
A favor?
I need some water in the worst way. Look at my branch. I'm a goner, honey. Come on, give me a drink.
I don't know if I should.
Hey, little lady, be nice.
You just want water, right?
Sure do, I'll bring you straight.
Well, that's a can.
Don't need no glass, no wine.
Your tongue.
Don't need no twist of lime. And now it's supper time. Now, sweetheart, it'll be easier. Come on, join your dentist friend and push it. They're right inside.
Audrey, no! Get off of her! Get off of her!
Audrey, are you all right?
Yes. Oh, no.
Audrey, don't die. Please don't die. I need you. Please don't die, Audrey.
You know, the plan says the strangest thing just then. It says that Warren and Mr. Mushnick were already inside.
It's true. I did it. I fed them to it.
And that's what made it so big and strong and you so famous.
Audrey, I've done terrible things, but not to you, never to you.
But I want you to, Seymour.
What?
When I die, which should be very shortly, feed me to the plant. Let it grow big and strong and bring you all the wonderful things you deserve.
You don't know what you're saying.
Well, I do. And if I'm in the plant, then I'm part of the plant. So in a way, we'll always be together. You'll wash my tender leaves. You'll smell